I'm just beyond grateful in life. You never know when a blessing is going to come. To ride around with over $1,000 worth of free lumber, it's a great feeling. I cannot wait to build this deck. I cannot wait to build my fencing. I cannot wait to build my barn door, steps. I don't know if y'all can see up there on that retaining wall. On that retaining wall, I wanted to add like steps that goes down that hill. This is all the things I've been thinking about, speaking into the future. Oh, look at that deck. It just doesn't, it matches on the front, but the back, it doesn't work. So y'all, with that being said, today is a very good day. Enjoy my journey renovating. You see all up there, I want to paint that fireplace and everything. Getting this thing well built home. This home was built in '84, well built, but getting it back to its prime, because I'm in my prime. Ain't that right? Who I'm talking to? I'm talking to y'all, so ain't that right?
And see happily and family, fun gardening.
So how to build a deck. The importance is to add 4x4s on the outside. That's extra support. Extra support size until you build a platform here. All right, you all, look at this. It's so beautiful. It's what I dreamed. And I was not about to do any extra digging. I'm just tired, exhausted. They got it done. I'm stepping. Steps. Stepping. Step. And then this here is a platform. Steps complete. All right, so I don't need my little steps anymore. Over there it look nice. I cannot wait until I do my gravel path that goes along the side. But look at my steps, they're done. I like the way they did the little curved top up there. So now, oh gosh, now I can add me some pots all along down here. Yeah, I know some bulbs gonna go up in there. Pressure wash and paint all of that. Oh, but it's done. And then my path is done. So now you can just walk. You know where to walk. Man, I got this baby for free. You better survive. The rain, they don't like wet grounds. So I tied it up. I need to probably untie it. But anyways, there's the rest of my path. Okay, y'all. Do y'all see this dark color right here?
Where?
I'm glad you moved it. But that blue need to turn darker. Because look at this. I always wanted a blue deck. Always. This was the color prior to. That's the new color. But I'm really hoping this deck turns darker blue. Oh, I wanted you to walk up and then see the red, white, and blue and be able to, it'll match that darker blue, because darker blue matches those red chairs. Legend, get off, it's not dry. Y'all, I am horrible with paint and color, but I don't like a lot of colors. The only colors I like to look at is blue. And of course, I'm not going to change my Yeah, and so y'all see my yellow. I'm not gonna paint my house green. That's my favorite color, but I don't like it on a house. And that's what I have right now. Is it pretty? I love the blue. Do I love that blue with the red? No. Do I love that blue with that house? No. Oh well, I don't know. It's always a $36 change, but I love my blue for now. And I'm gonna do those steps there white. I don't know, because it's just like the red, white, and blue don't technically match. We'll see when I'm done, y'all. I did add that would be my terracotta color, blue with terracotta. Oh, look at that. Wasn't that so cool? Purple Heart is so aggressive. I couldn't dare pull this straight out of this container. Like, you would get, oh no, it just break all off, you all. I have to dig. Oh, don't he just look so good up against that blue? Dream, aren't you so pretty up against that blue? Yes, you are. Yeah, I'll need this. Get this on out of here. Oh my gosh, this is that's the entire root system. Purple Heart is aggressive. Oh, very aggressive. Roots just grow along the sides of the pots. It takes over. But I'm gonna leave it in there, some of these roots, so it can grow back next year. Less planting I have to do in this pot. I'm going to place this gardenia in here. Yeah, y'all see it's cracked a little bit. That's fine. I don't mind at all. Good thing about having a leaf blower, just blow all this stuff off. All this dirt right back into the garden. I love planting on my deck. Oh, I love it. And it's my color blue, my favorite color. Oh, I'm so happy. Legend jumped inside of my trunk. Let me show y'all this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I did not do this. Legend, why are you inside of my trunk throwing rocks out? So I call myself, oh my gosh, you poured the rocks out. I call myself putting the rocks in the container and putting it in here. Y'all, I'm just, oh my gosh, I gotta clean all this up. You better put all them rocks back in there. And I call myself hiding this from him. And he hopped his happy-go-lucky self in the trunk. Now it's time to pot up my walkway. But I have already placed that in the inside. You all, these roots to this Purple Heart was in the bottom of the pot. If you can see that shape, let me see. These roots are very aggressive, but wherever I plant this, new Purple Hearts will form. So just know they will get root bound. It was only in this container for one season. All right. All right, everywhere where I had a broken Purple Heart, I'm gonna place right back in this container. They are gonna all die back to the ground. But this is Georgia, so I got some few nice days. And I just place this over on this side. That's some soil. This is a green tower, Boxwood. So it'll only be here for this season. And y'all, it's done. This is the finished product. After days, I actually like the red clay, the look of the stain up against the blue, because it matches with the terracotta pots. So that was a really great decision. I like the contrast of the gray. Now I'll put those in the ground now that I'm sure I want them there. But I also picked up some bird houses, so the birds, they won't get much privacy until next year when these hydrangeas fill in. I moved my big hydrangea that was here. The next video I will show you all how I stained or painted this cement. That's the back. Oh, I love that texture. The hydrangeas. And here's my other birdhouse, which I've turned around. But yeah, so now I have an excuse to go buy more terracotta pots.